Namaste, everyone. Heather Thrills here with my wonderful assistant, Nancy. Today, we're gonna teach all you yoga teachers a hands-on adjustment to further your standing back bend. So my lovely Nancy will jump right in the middle of this mat. She'll turn side on so you can see. We're gonna inhale the arms straight up. And then as she's exhaling, she's gonna squeeze through the lower core, reach the arms back. As the teacher, you're gonna press 2 fingers at the small of the back and the thumb, then use your opposite forearm to help you guide her further into the back bend. Notice when they start to quake from the core, and then back off, letting them know you got this. Big in-breath, and then on the out-breath, release. So just make sure while you're giving those adjustments, you're really clear with your student, you're nice and close, so you can just let them know this is what I'm up to. I'm gonna place a hand here. I'm gonna guide you into this next one. I hope this helps all my yogi teachers. Thank you so much, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to me. Thank you. Namaste.